Hey, if this is your first time, I'm Lynn Stitches, and if you would like to join my sewing family, you can follow me on TikTok and Facebook. You can also subscribe on my YouTube channel, Lynn Stitches. And today, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to draft the basic long and short sleeve. So if you're interested in learning, stick to my page. So you're going to mark half an inch and it's going to work as our starting point line. That's where we're going to start from. Then you're going to mark 4.5. So that is where you're going to put your bicep measurements. Remember, we're making the short sleeve, so that the length is 8. This is the short sleeve. After, you're going to mark 4 inches. 4 inches. Then after marking the 4, you're going to mark your bicep measurements. As you see there, I divided mine by 4, then had to add 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Then I'm round. Also marked my measurements and I had to add 1.5 inch. Then you're going to mark from the starting point to the bicep line. Then you find the midpoint. Then you mark. After marking, you're going to get your French curve and connect. If you don't have a French curve, you can use your freehand. Yes. Then after you connect to the bicep line, after to your arm round, the short sleeve is done. Yeah, you get your pair of scissors and cut. Sorry for the lighting, it wasn't good. Yeah. So we're done with the short sleeve. So now we're going to go on the long sleeve. So now for the long sleeve, you're going to mark 1.5 inch. It's like we are repeating what we had done on the short sleeve, though. For this one, we're going to add some extra, as you're seeing over there. Then we're going to mark again 4.5 inch, the bicep line. Then 12 for the elbow. Remember, this is a long sleeve. Then 22 full length, and we're going to mark the lines as you're seeing over there. Yeah. So So we're going to get the midpoint still as we had done on the short sleeved. We're going to mark, then we're going to still get our French curve and join the lines clearly as you're seeing over there. Yeah, you can still use your free hands in case you don't have a French curve. So after you mark your elbow measurements, then you add 1.5 inch allowance. So my cuff is 7. Had to divide by 2, so I had to add the allowance as you're seeing over there. So I had to get the ruler and I had to join. Yeah, we're almost done. We're going to cut our long sleeved. It's quite simple. It is very simple. You should try on it, and if you use this technique, you'll see that your sleeve is going to come out so nicely. So that's our long sleeve and that's our short sleeve already done. Thank you for watching. Just in case you're interested in joining my sewing family, you can hit the subscribe button, follow me on my social handles. Bye. So after I think I made an error in recording, sorry. Then after I had to cut. So after, that's our long sleeve and that's our short sleeved. These are the patterns that we've from drafting. Yeah, you can subscribe, follow, like for more. And stitches. Bye.